Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza Gordon Ramsay. Preheat your oven to the highest safe temperature and set a pizza stone inside. Begin with room temperature dough and gently stretch it into a 12-inch round for even cooking. Use fresh ingredients, light sauce, and good olive oil to build flavor. I will guide you through dough handling, topping balance, and quick baking tips so your pizza turns out crisp and delicious. For dough, choose strong bread flour or Tipo 00 for great texture and chew. Keep your dough at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes so the gluten relaxes and stretching becomes easy. When shaping, be gentle to retain air pockets that create a light interior and crisp exterior. I'll describe simple kneading, proofing cues, and a quick cold rest option to improve flavor without complicated steps or long wait. Make a bright sauce from high-quality tomatoes, seasoned simply with salt and a touch of olive oil. Use thin slices of fresh mozzarella and avoid overloading the pie so the crust bakes through. Slide the pizza onto a preheated stone or steel at maximum oven heat and bake for 6 to 10 minutes until charred spots appear. I'll share timing tricks and how to tell when the crust and cheese are perfectly done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.